Second type of the non-Mendelian inheritance is your codominance. What is codominance? It is the inheritance in which both alleles of a gene are expressed in a hybrid. How is it different from the first one, that is your incomplete dominance? Explained through an example is ABO blood grouping in humans. Now your ABO blood groups are controlled by a gene known as gene 1, and the plasma membrane of RBC, it has sugar polymers that protrude from its surface and is controlled by this gene 1. Now gene 1 has 3 alleles, which is your IA, IB and small I. Now the alleles IA and IB, they produce a slightly different form of sugar, while the allele small I, it does not produce any sugar. So when IA and IB are present together, they both express their types of sugars, and this is due to codominance. So through this table which we have got, so suppose if parent 1, your dad, he has IA, and the parent 2, let's say your mom, she also has IA. So then genotype, this will be the genotype, and your blood group will be A. Antigen will be A, and antibody is exactly opposite of antigen, so it will be B. Suppose their dad has A, IA, mom has IB, you can have both. So the blood group will be AB, antigen will be AB, and opposite of this is O. There is a small IA, IA. Now we learned that these two IA and IB, they produce different types of sugars, but small I, it does not produce any sugar, so it won't have any much effect, so it will be A and B. IB, IA, again IA, IB, and it will have AB blood group, antigen is AB and O is the positive. IB, IB, which will have B blood group, and antibody would be opposite, that is A. Again, IB and small I, this doesn't have much of an effect, so obviously it will be B blood group and antibody will be A. Again, small I, now this is a rare case, which if it's both a small I, so both won't have any effect, small I, that means it is blood group O, and opposite of blood group O is not B, it is AB.